Hello, Slam. We have a family machine to make the metal. This is the iron base, the metal base, and this is aluminum frame. We have the special machine to fix inside. Looks very beautiful at the shop, the outside. Now, this is a machine for wire, and this is the finished frame. And over there, we have two machines to cut for the metal. And this one, it is a 5 length, the length for 5 meters, special folding, the folding machine. We have originally the raw material for stainless steel, aluminum base, and the iron base, and they are cutting in the machine. So you can say it is very accurate in the size. It is very accurate in the size. We have two machines now. In fact, it's not so busy. The business is not so busy, but we can make this kind of special technology to use in our mirrors.